Hola, ¿cómo están? Mi nombre es Berta Yanet Martínez y pertenezco al Instituto Juventud Hondureña. Soy del área de inglés. Esta tarde compartiremos un poquito sobre adjetivos. What is an adjective? Adjectives are about nouns. They usually answer two questions. How many and what kind? How many? We can read this sentence and say, one sad little girl was in our class. How many? ¿Cuántas? One. As you can see, how many tell us about cuántas personas, lugares, animales describe este adjetivo. En este caso es un número. One. What kind? A sad little girl. Let's practice. Can you find the adjectives and nouns they describe? Robert had 4 books on his shelf. How many books? The adjective is 4. Very good. 4 describes the books. Let's read again this next sample. The scary ghost was smiling. Was not smiling. The scary ghost was not smiling. Scary describes the ghost. Scary is what kind? Again, let's read this sentence. Jasmine looked into the clear bowl. Jasmine looked into the clear bowl. Let's find the adjective. Very good. Clear describes the bowl. Very good. Next sentence. The colorful butterfly was ants. Colorful describes the butterfly, and colorful is the adjective. Describes the butterfly. Brittany wore a pink dress. Brittany wore a pink dress. Pink is the adjective. It's a color that describes the dress. Frankie saw a funny clown at the circus. Frankie saw a funny, very good, is the adjective, clown at the circus. Funny describes the clown. Next sentence. Hillary wore a striped shirt. Hillary wore a striped shirt. Hillary is a personal pronoun, and strip is the adjective and describes the shirt. The little baby crawled. Little, very good, is the adjective and describes the little baby. Another sentence. Cassidy bounced a round ball. Cassidy bounced a round basketball. Round is the adjective and describes the ball. How many? What kind? We can use some of these words to use and describe a noun. Some, few, many, several, lots, and 4. What kind? Green, crunchy, smooth, new, smart, and beautiful. What is the adjective again? What noun does it tell about? Let's read again this sample and find it. The blue notebook is closed. Adjective, blue, right? Notebook is a noun. Very good. If you need more practice, review the presentation. Thanks a lot. Thanks for your attention. See you next time, guys. Bye-bye.